Hey guys! Today we're going to be doing an introduction as well as a squishy experiment. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Claudia.
So the first squishy we're going to be using is this really defected bread bun. Here's how squishy it is. So the second squishy we're going to be using is this Rilakkuma bread loaf. Here's the squishiness. The third squishy is this ginormous eye bloom peach. The squishiness. And lastly, we have this Ioma Tokyo English bread. There's the squishiness. Now we're going to put the squishies in the freezer for
30 minutes.
So these are how the squishies turned out. Whoa, it's very, very, very hard, but it's super, super, super slow rising. I don't think this is gonna rise in 20 minutes or something like that, because this is like it's a rock.
So now we have the bread, and it's like pretty hard, but a bit like slow rising.
So now we have the Rilakkuma bread loaf, which I think is gonna be really slow rising. It didn't turn out as how I expected, but it's still it's very hard. Like I feel like there's like an ice cube in the middle, but there's not. And I always love squishing over here, and it got like squishier. So that's good.
And finally we have this pink bread bun, and it's more squishier than I expected and more slow rising. As you've seen before, it was not as slow rising. And it's really, really soft. More than before.
Bye guys! I hope you like our video. Please comment,
Like and
and
subscribe.
subscribe. Bye!